In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Superpins Zen browser. Superpins in Zen browser are like advanced pinned tabs. They're compact, always visible, and designed to keep your most used sites just a click away. If you're tired of hunting through a crowded tab bar, this is a simple habit that makes your browsing feel faster and more organized. Start by opening the website you want to keep handy. This could be your email, a task manager, a music player, or any page you find yourself returning to throughout the day. Make sure the site is fully loaded and confirm you're on the exact page you want quick access to, because that specific tab is the one you'll be pinning. Next, look at the top of the browser where your tabs live. Right-click directly on the tab you want to pin. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click does the same thing. A small menu will appear with options related to that tab. You're looking for an option that says Pin tab, or something very close to that, depending on your version or interface layout. Click Pin tab. The moment you do, you'll notice a few visual changes. The tab will shrink down, usually to just an icon, and it will slide over to the left side of the tab strip. That minimal, anchored look is intentional. It keeps the tab out of the way without hiding it. In Zen, pinned tabs are treated as super pins automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to configure. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry, the idea is the same. As long as you've pinned it, Zen handles the rest and treats it like a super pin. From here on, your super pin stays put, ready for instant access. It's especially useful for sites you check many times a day because you won't accidentally close them as you cycle through other tabs. If you're not seeing the pin tab option, make sure you're right-clicking on the tab itself, not the page content. Some versions might label the option slightly differently, but it'll be in that tab context menu. That's really all there is to it. Open the site, right-click the tab, and select Pin tab. Zen takes over and treats that pinned tab as a super pin so it remains compact, visible, and easy to reach. Try pinning a couple of your daily essentials so they're always one glance and one click away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more efficient Zen browser experience.